Press yard tooth on LAX.
LAX, Oba.
That cut is staying here.
Oh, it's staying here.
Yep.
Okay, copy that, Rob.
I'm gonna have to go back to it, Dan. I gotta cut it in and everything, over.
All right, you line this to the next track over. He's gonna go do some stuff to it there, Murder.
Copy. Where do you want to be lined at?
Yeah, just right next to it. 6 units and 7, right?
That's correct.
6 is fine.
Danny. Oh, that's fine. I mean, we'll get it fixed.
Okay, you're all lined up. Track 6, good for 30, 3-0. Spot him up there, Rob.
Good for 30, spot him up. Here we go, brother.
No flag, no zero.
NFD, you're on the point 30, spot him up. Here we go. Just take me a second, man.
Yeah, I'll watch the power there, Rob.
All right.
All right.
Ready, okay. Sounds good. Got a couple moves ahead of us here at Cedar. We'll try to get you moving though. Get you down to Montclair.
Right back, Vinny.
Okay.
How about that board?
We have the RV CPU on the west end. We need a runner. We're on the roundhouse lane going 116.
There you go. And east off the roundhouse then.
Here it says center.
Murder Kaiser, Cedar Hive up.
Eyeball, here we go.
Alright, go ahead inside.
Got stepped on, dude.
Go ahead inside. Inside, what do you need? Run that by me one more time. Out of 6, into the roundhouse. Thank you. Head west out of 6.
Copy that, pick up RV, take them out the train.
One is what it says. 206.
Alright, here we go.
Go, Vinny. We got a diverging approach here. Here we go, brother.
Alright, here we go.
The LAX, what was the unit number on the power lift, John?
5327.
Alright, thank you.
Thanks, Dave.
I'm back at the Shenny.
Copy.
LA Extra, one more there, Rob. LA Extra, that will do. Go 42 there, Rob.
Extra, MTU LAX, UV2678, need a signal to get back against our train there.
Yeah, you can wait for the switch block up here. Should be coming up in a second.
Alright, thank you, sir.
C4 Herner, approaching Pepper.
Alright, C4 is on.
Eyeball. You're on the point, restricting 2525, here we go.
250, LH 45. Yeah, 45, you guys going in 529?
That is correct, over.
Signal location.
Signal location, thank you. Vinny, we still got a rear dupe, man.
Okay. Go 1515, LA Extra.
1515.
Hot rail. Let's go, 8 to hook, LA Extra.
8 hook.
Four to hook, LA Extra, last 4.
4, Vinny?
Yeah, 4. 3 now.
There, set center.
Yeah, I can get you on the light, LA Extra.
Four high voltage. What's that? That's the N14. What power do you have?
Yeah, you got a good hook there, red zone, main section.
LA Extra, all stop, sit and centered red zone for the con man, over.